When I was a boy growing up, I remember my father taking me to Panavižn. He walks me into his office and he goes, "Son, let me show you something." And he had this thing underneath this black towel. And I remember him lifting it up, and there was the first Panafleks. And he says to me, "Son, this is going to change the motion picture industry forever."
He built the Panafleks, the Panafleks X, and all those Panaflexes, and he's done an incredible job. And he set, in this world, he set the level of the industry, you know.
Ja se zovem Albert Lorenz Majer. Rođen sam 1936. godine u Perlezu, Banatu, Srbija.
Znam da su bili jako mirni ljudi, jako povučeni ljudi.
Znali smo ko je Švabe, ko je Srbin, ali to nije bilo razlika tada.
A inače je bio naočit, ovako gustu crnu kosu je imao. Volile su ga devojke.
There were barbwires. There was no way to get out anymore. Mass dying practically.
Veče pre nego što će oni otići, tužno je bilo. Oprostili smo se, izljubili i tako.
But in the meantime, they start building the Berlin Wall. We went once through hell. I'm gonna choose my country.
I think maybe, even the digital revolution would not have happened without the Panafleks.
Bottom line is make movies more beautiful, more intelligent, and easier.
I know his reputation is terrific and unsung in a way.
Memory that you're gonna never forget. So that's it. That's Hollywood.